So to boost my immune system, I use carotenoid complex from Neolife. It is packed with dark colored vegetables like your tomatoes, your green peppers, your carrots, your peaches. It is filled with antioxidants from fruits and vegetables. So there is no synthetic chemicals in this. This is a whole food supplement. And what better way to fill your body with fruits and vegetables? It is said that we as human beings should consume almost 114 kilograms of fruits and vegetables every day in order for our immune system to be boosted. But that is impossible because where are we going to store all of those vegetables? And what is so nice about Neolife is they put it in a capsule form. And what this product does, it boosts your immune system by 37% in just 20 days. Now, I am a Guillain-Barré syndrome patient, or let's say a recoverer. I recovered from it in 1994, and my immune system attacked my nervous system. I had a very low immune system. And since I discovered or been introduced to Neolife, I discovered that this is my go-to product to boost my immune system. So if you would like to know more about this amazing product, it is GMO free, it is juice extracted, dehydrated. So the best on the market, Neolife carotenoid complex. Inbox me if you're interested and let's have a chat.